everybody. I haven't followed up in about a week, but let me show you where we're at. Our grading guy has did a ramp access around here. He's removing as much dirt as he can. We elevator wall pits are poured, waterproof, backfilled, and the elevator guy, he did his drilling and installed one of the elevator shafts in one of the elevator pits. As we commence over there. You see, this part was backfilled up to the elevator pit wall. And there goes a shaft. So they drill, they put the shaft there. That's the elevator shaft that's going to control the whole elevator system. Up and down. You see the other elevator shaft? Oh, they put both of them. So both elevator shafts are installed and backfilled. I guess they put slurry in there. You just need a backfill here a little bit on the sides and start preparing. We need to prepare to extend the slab a little bit more. LMS rebar brought in more steel. So our next stretch of plan for this slab mat is to come about this line over here. We have a couple column pads to do the layout. We need to do our grading all the way to where we're going to do our cold joint header. We need to do our layout for the couple columns that are in here. Once on the next side, about two more. We need to start excavating the side of the foundation that way. The plumber comes in next week and he excavates a big old hole around here, right in front of this first elevator. He excavates here, sets his big old pump right here, and then we start working after him for about a day or two. I think he's gonna be working here all week next week. As you can see, our elevator wall pits, this is the waterproofing. We have a wall that runs this way and from the other side of this wall. So we gotta start setting that up, putting our wall dowels here, so we could pour all at the slab mat elevation like here. This is our wall template. See, string lines were pulled. This is line B. So we drop it down. This is where we're gonna set our wall forms on top. We're scheduled to get the forms in about 2 weeks. But next week, so anyways, this template is all around the perimeter. And next week the columns are coming in. The column forms coming in Wednesday. So we're ready to start forming the columns, setting them up. You see from our layout that we did a week ago, this is our column template. This is we put our column forms on top of here. So the procedure is we do a like a U form. We form it up in a U shape. We don't close up this side. We form it up. We level them. We do all our forming that we need. Then we get inspection. We get structural inspection, city inspection. Once that signs off, then we close up that one side that's open. And we pour concrete. We might take about 7 days from forming, inspections, closing them up, reinforcing them. That's a lot of columns. Again, this is our surveyor reference point. This is line H. So we dropped it down over here, right? And we dropped it down on the slab mat. Hold the line and put our template. This wall right here is shotcrete as well. This is one of the ramps. As soon as we have our walls up, in about 2 to 3 weeks that we pour, we have our walls up. We're gonna start working on doing our ramp, so we could have access to the job through here, and they could eliminate all this dirt that's over here. So this is gonna be our access in about 3 weeks. We had to switch up our tent on top of our concrete slab mat, since our grader guy, he's removing all the dirt as he can. This ramp is gonna stay there for another 3 weeks until we have our access over here on this side. More columns, more steel. See, this is our perimeter foundation. We're gonna continue excavation all the way to line 8, which is about over here. Even though we might be able to go a little further, maybe we will. To around here, probably be around line 6. There'll be access. Yeah, we'll probably do line 6, up to line 6. So now our next phase in this project is have the plumber do what he has to do here. He works here 3-4 days. He needs to extend his plumbing line all the way out here, so I can put my cold joint right here. We had to excavate all the column pads that are within line 6 and line 13 where we stopped. So all this section, plumber comes in, does his work. I do the grading, I do my layout, excavation of foundation, the column pads, vapor barrier, rebar comes in, we pour concrete. Let's go see the top view. So once we have our ramp over here on this side axis, grader's gonna continue removing all his dirt, which is gonna be about here. So there's not gonna be no access because the other ramp, our second ramp, comes in through the alley down this way. But it'll be a while by the time we get to this point. See, right here we have our corner building. So it's about this edge. Yeah, we can see all the dirt that still needs to be moved. Right now we're up to here. It's probably line 5 or 6. Have to see how many feet are we from the elevator. So you can see on the plans exactly where we're at. This is a step footing. It keeps on going down 3 steps from our top perimeter foundation. You can see now the elevator wall pits on both sides, poured, stripped on the outside, waterproof. We have elevator shafts. We didn't take the form inside because on top of this form is our finished slab. So that's where the cement is gonna stop. Well, alright then, I'll follow up next week. Hope you're enjoying my review and my project. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.